Hey there, what up? My name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can disable Steam on startup. So let's start. First thing you want to do, you just mean Steam. Now you want to click on Steam, go to settings, and you'll be here in account. You want to click on interface, and when you're gonna on interface, you're gonna see run Steam when my computer starts, and all you have to do is just unclick it. And that's it. So this is how we do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye. So again, Steam, settings, interface, and unclick the run Steam.